FNSS is a joint venture Turkish company based in Turkey between a Turkish company called Nurol Holding and BAE Systems worldwide. So currently we are in Defense and Security Show Thailand, and as a armored vehicle manufacturer, which is tracked and wheels, we are here to show our products and services, which is not only for this country but also for the region. But besides designing and manufacturing wheeled armored vehicles or tracked armored vehicles and weapon systems, we also provide upgrades for the aged armored fighting vehicles or armored personnel carriers, which we see one of them here, which is the M113. And so there are varieties of M113s which has been modernized throughout the life period of the vehicle. But this is the latest modernization version, which we call it M113A4. And this is the next level of the M113, which provides higher mobility with the higher powertrain, and together with it, we also provide mine and kinetic energy protection all around the vehicle, 360 degrees. We also have survivability systems, which could be tailored by the customer, or mainly we provide the basic as a standard, such as the mine-protected seats, or it could be automatic fire extinguishing systems, air conditioning, depending on the climate which the vehicle will be operated. It is pretty basic, like the original vehicle's configuration, which the gunner, driver, and the crew compartment is placed. So we still have a hydraulic ramp with an opening door. The crew seat layout could be tailored by the customer, either if they would like to have mine blast extinguishing seats or a bank type seating configuration for the dismounts. In addition, with the new powertrain, we have a steering yoke with the automatic transmission and the new engine, and all the instruments are upgraded together with the driver's night side or thermal camera could be placed, which we do for many countries. The two fuel tanks are on the rear side, they're taken out of the vehicles. We also apply spool liners for RPG treads. Now the vehicle's life cycle will expand at least for more 20 years from the time it's upgraded. And we already delivered almost 2,000 units to several countries with the M113 modernization. And all these improvements which we are applying to the M113A4, we still keep the amphibious capability of the vehicle, so all the vehicles are fully amphibious without any preparation. We can also provide modernization and services for the aged ACV type vehicles, which is also called AIFV in some countries, and or YPR in different countries. So they are pretty much similar to the M113, but has more different features. Just like we are providing to the Turkish Army since 1990s, we are also exporting these vehicles to allied and friendly countries. We have a one-man Sharpshooter turret, which was also designed by FNSS. It's a 25mm stabilized turret with day-night sight, which the gunner sits inside the basket of the turret, and the commander sits on the left-hand position of the vehicle, which is next to the turret, and the driver sits in front of the commander. We have 6 dismounts with this crew of 3, which sits on the rear. We can provide bench-type seats or mine blast extinguishing seats if there is a request by the customer for IED threats or higher mine threats. We can provide all these survivability upgrades for the vehicle. Also, it has a 360-degree kinetic energy protection. If we can see closely from the driver's position, there is a thermal display which enables the driver to operate the vehicle during dark or nighttime operations. So we also have NBC protection system. We have a powerful engine which enables the vehicle to have the highest mobility with the 15-ton range, and also it provides power to operate the vehicle in water. The vehicle is fully amphibious without any preparation. That's the most important feature of the vehicle. We are the main system integrator of the Malaysian AV8 8x8 Gambita infantry fighting vehicle program. It actually is not only the infantry fighting vehicle, it's a variety of vehicles. And the prime contractor is GRB Highcom. It's a local company in Malaysia. So we are pretty happy and confident working with the Malaysian DefTech company in Malaysia to build the most recent and high-tech 8x8 vehicle for the Malaysian Army. So currently we have delivered together with DefTech company infantry fighting vehicle version of some units to the Malaysian Army. So it's currently in service. So these vehicles are armed with 25mm Sharpshooter turrets, which is the one-man turret I have mentioned you on the ACV. That turret was also in service with the Malaysian Army with the previous program we have conducted for the Adnan tracked ACV 300, which was called by that time program back in 2000. So all those vehicles are already delivered, and they use the Sharpshooter turret with different variants, which is the 25, 50 caliber and the 40mm automatic grenade launcher weapon systems. So now we are providing the same turret with the new AV8 vehicle. AV8 Gambita is the most advanced version of the first parse which we have introduced in 2004. So as you can see on the video playing next to me, we have the parse 8x8 version, which we are still working hard to supply this vehicle to new customers in the future. The vehicle comes with two different major variants, which is the 6x6 and the 8x8 version. So with all these versions, we can tailor the vehicle, we can turn the vehicle to different type of configurations, which could be an infantry fighting vehicle or an NBC vehicle or whatever the customer is required.